Smartly learn with fun. Basic information about of India. India is a democratic republic with a largely ceremonial president and a prime minister that runs the cabinet. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. About 2/3 of Indians work in agriculture. Now, time to know more about of India. Official name Republic of India. India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. National flag Tiranga. Tiranga was adopted in the year 1947 on July 22nd, designed by Pingali Venkaiah. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of India. Deep saffron at the top. It indicates the strength and courage of the country. White in the middle. That indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. Green at the bottom. It shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. National emblem and national motto. State emblem of India. This symbol was officially adopted from Ashoka's lion. Capital situated at Sarnath, UP, and is the pride of every Indian. Area 32.87 million square kilometer. India is a country in Southeast Asia. It is the 7th largest country by land area in the world. Population according to 2021, approximately 1.39 billions. India is the second most populated country in the world. Capital New Delhi. New Delhi is situated in the north central part of the country on the west bank of the Yamuna River. Independence Day 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August as a national holiday in India, commemorating the nation's independence from the United Kingdom on 15th August 1947. Republic Day 26th January. This is the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 26th January 1950 with a democratic government system. National language Hindi. As per the Constitution of India, Article 343(1), the official language is Hindi and script is Devanagari. However, other 22 languages also registered as a official language. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of India is the Hindi version of an anthem that was originally composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. It was adopted as the national anthem of India on 24th January 1950. National song Vande Mataram. India's national song was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. It has inspired many freedom fighters during the freedom struggle. National flower, lotus. In Indian mythology, is a flower of symbolizes wealth, prosperity, and fertility. National fruit, mango. Mangoes are native to India and thus truly Indian. Mango symbolizes the tropical climate of India. National bird, peacock. The peacock was declared as national bird in 1963 because it was entirely a part of Indian culture. A peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. National tree, banyan tree. The country's unity is symbolized by the tree's huge structure and its deep roots. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. The tiger is known as the king of the jungle and displays India's wildlife wealth also. The tiger was declared as the national animal of India in April 1973. National heritage animal, elephant. The Indian elephant is a subspecies of the Asian elephant and found in mainland Asia. National reptile of India, king cobra. King cobra is considered a sacred animal in Indian culture. National aquatic animal of India, river dolphin. The river dolphin is also called the Ganga's river dolphin. National river, Ganga. Ganga is the longest river in the country. This is the most sacred river on earth. It flows over 2,510 kilometers of mountains, plains and valleys. Largest city, Mumbai. Mumbai is also called Bombay. Its financial center, Mumbai is a densely populated city on India's west coast, built by the British time in 1924. Indian currency, rupee. The flow of this currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. The symbol of the Indian rupee is derived from the Devanagari consonant Ra. National sport, hockey. The Indian Hockey Federation was established in 1925. When declared as the national game, was very popular. Driving side, left. Date format, DD, MM, YY. Calling code, +91. Time zone, UTC +5:30. As per Coordinated Universal Time, India is ahead of 5:30 hours, which is also denoted as Indian Standard Time. National calendar, Saka calendar. The Saka calendar is used along with Vikram Samvat. Sometimes it is called the Salivana Saka calendar. It's question time. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the official name of India? Answer: Republic of India. Question number 2. What is the name of India's flag? Answer: Tiranga. Question number 3. What is the national bird of India? Answer: peacock. Question number 4. What is the capital of India? Answer: New Delhi. Question number 5. What is the national river of India? Answer: Ganga. Question number 6. What is the national tree of India? Answer: banyan tree. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.